Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So first and foremost, Happy New Year. This is my very first video for the new year 2023. I hope you had a fantabulous 2022. I am like so excited to get this year started. So a few weeks back, I was gifted this beautiful limited edition Le Fête Edition from Merit Beauty. It's right over here, girl. I am not French, so here's what I did for you. Okay, hold on, people, hold on.
La Fête Édition.
That's exactly how you say it in French. Thank you. Amen. Anyway, so I figured we're going to incorporate what's in this limited edition with other products. You know, nothing new. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, cool. Let's just get into this. First of all, look at this beautiful packaging. It is so beautiful. First and foremost, I want to thank Merit Beauty so much for including me in this beautiful campaign. So let me just give you a little bit of a rundown of what's in this fabulous thing. It is a limited edition. I'm hoping that it's still there. It's a limited edition set of essentials for the holiday parties you're looking forward to and the ones that you are not. I hear you, girl. So let me just tell you what is in this beautiful limited edition. We have the signature lip, which by the way, I absolutely adore. I have them in their last campaign. They gifted me, I believe 2 of them. They are so delicious and nourishing on the lips. So I'm so looking forward to using that. Okay, they also have the Neutral Brow 1980 Volumizing pomade. Really nice. You know, I have been loving doing my eyebrows, girl. So I'm like so excited to try that. And then they have the Perfect Black Clean Lash. Ooh, lengthening. Ooh, I have been dying to try tubing mascara. It's a lengthening tubing mascara. So that. And then they have an Instant Glow Serum, which, girl, I have been hearing very good things about this serum. And so super excited to try that. And then, ooh, they have a Bounce Day Glow Highlighting Balm. Interesting. Let's open it, shall we? Thank you again. I'm going to be thanking Merit this whole time. Before we get started, I just want to give you some information about Merit Beauty. They are vegan, they are clean, they are sustainability focused. They're just a beautiful, like clean, fresh, like very minimalistic kind of products. I think they're just so beautiful. They do have free shipping on any orders over $40. And of course, each order comes with this beautiful little bag. I will post it right over here. This beautiful like corduroy like little pouch that you tie. It is so beautiful. And yeah, so let's dive in. I'm so excited. Really beautiful, very sleek. I'm just going to pull this apart right over here. Actually, I'll pull it this way so you guys could see it. Look how beautiful and sleek and delish. Ooh, that is so nice. So let's just dive on in. Let's go into this serum. I don't have anything on my face, just my skincare from this morning. So this is it. Ooh, look at that, how beautiful. Can you see that? Really nice. This is the skin serum. Let me just read up on it. P.S. It is sold out. This is a lightweight bi-phase serum that instantly hydrates and plumps the skin. Ooh, for a healthy glow. I'm hydrating, lightweight, dewy finish, plumping. What it does, it's a weightless formula, absorbs quickly into the skin, zero residue, leaving it plump, hydrated, and prepped for makeup. Ooh, I'm designed to complement the minimalistic, but can be used with any complexion product to give the skin a healthy glow. 4 types of hyaluronic acid. No wonder why it's sold out. Targets multi-layer of skin to lock hydration in for all-day moisture. Niacinamides to help brighten up the skin. Smooth texture, caffeine-rich cacao seed extract. Wow. Stimulates the blood flow for an immediate plumping effect. Japanese gold's thread root helps soothe skin, supports a healthy skin barrier over time, and non-comedogenic formula. I'm so excited. Okay, great. Yeah, P.S. that is sold out. I guess I'm going to shake it. I'm going to shake the little lever up together. Ooh. Okay, it's very watery. Whoop. I can't even, here, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put it in the palm of my hand. It's very watery. It looks like, whoa, looks like water. I'm going to just put it on my face. Smells like nothing. Smells like absolutely nothing, which is fantastic because you know how I feel about any kind of scents on my skin. I'm just patting it back and forth. It is very watery. Feels like absolutely nothing. That's really nice. It feels like nothing. And then once it absorbs into the skin, It feels plumping. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, hold up. Per usual, I did not bring a mirror, but I do have my little compact right over here. It felt like absolutely nothing, like water on the skin. And now, look at how beautiful. And you may think that it looks like oily. Absolutely not. It's so watery. But now, once it absorbs into the skin, ooh, it feels like a lotion. It feels like it feels so good. It feels like a lotion. It feels very plumping. Can you see that nice, ooh, look at that. Look at my forehead. Can you see that nice, beautiful glow that it left? Ooh, that is really, really beautiful. So I'm going to just step off camera, do the rest of my face, foundation, blush, a little bit of eyeshadow, all that good stuff. Of course, I will leave everything linked below if you guys want to know what I have on my face. And then we will come back, of course, to try the rest of these products. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the rest of my makeup on. So let's just get into this highlight, shall we? So let me just pull out the highlight. So this is a beautiful highlight right over here. And they gave me the color in Bounce. It comes in 3 colors. One is Cava, is champagne. Bounce is a rose gold. And then Citrine is a soft gold. So let me see, I'm so cute. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. It smells like nothing. Oh, I like it. See, this is what I love about Merit. When they say that they're very minimalistic, they truly are. Look at that. Isn't that so beautiful? Nothing blinding and, as I say, papowish about this at all. Very soft, very subtle. I think I'm going to grab, this is the BK Beauty 109. This is one of their newer brushes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just take it off the product itself. Let me grab a mirror, the mirror that I don't have. That's the one. And let's see here. I'm going to come close, girl. You know I'm close. You know when I come close, girl, I mean business. So let's see here. Ooh, that's beautiful. Very, very, look at that. Very soft, very subtle. Look at that, look at how cute. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, normally I would have gotten the lighter color. Like this is the middle color. But this is gorgeous. And this is what I always say. Like colors that I normally would say, I don't think, and then you go, all right, let me just try it. They always turn out so beautiful. So, so beautiful. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Very subtle, very light, very beautiful. This is pretty. On the cube. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Now, I do not like shimmer underneath the brow, but I'm going to do it. So I'm going to just take it on my finger. It's very creamy. Ooh, let me see if I could show it to you, if you could see. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Very dewy, very creamy. I'm going to read up on it with you in a moment. So let me just a tiny bit. Look at that, how pretty that it adds that little, not too much. Because girl, again, I don't like that. I don't like any shimmer underneath the brow, but just like a hint. Ooh, that's so nice. Let's read up on this highlighter, shall we? This is called the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. Yes, it's a balm. Okay, I couldn't get my words together. It is beautiful. Clean, vegan, cruelty-free, moisturizing, buildable, dewy finish. Absolutely blendable. It is so beautiful. The vitamin-rich base replenishes moisture for a dewy glow that lasts beyond makeup. This microfine pearls reflects lights and illuminates the skin. It's beautiful. Plant-based squalene locks in hydration. Olive fruit oil nourishes skin with monosaturated fatty acids and vitamin E, a known antioxidant. It's so great. A couple big words that I cannot pronounce, but girl, go on their website and you can read it up yourself. Amino acids, blends to promote healthy skin barrier function. That's beautiful. Very dewy, very healthy, very balmy. It's beautiful. Very, very nice. So, so nice. So that is gorgeous. And again, a color that I would not pick. Look how pretty though. Girl, you gotta stop saying that. You have to stop saying that. Okay, let's grab this brow product, shall we, girl? This is called the Brow 1980. It's a volumizing pomade, a nod to the brows in the 80s. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? That's great. This pomade adds color and volume for a healthy, fluffy arch. Now let's see here. clean, vegan, cruelty-free. You know, all their products are like that. Shapes and grooms the brows into place for a bold yet natural-looking brow. Mineral-based formula provides flexible all-day hold. That's fantastic. That doesn't smudge or flake. Listen, this is my first try-on. I will leave everything linked below to see how the day wears out. So, you know, I will leave you an update below. Nourishing vitamin B5 conditions and strengthens the brows. Great, let's try it. So this is what the delicious brow looks like. It comes in a neutral. Nice. You think I should, you know what? I don't have any product on my eyebrow. I'm wondering if we should put a product on and then put this on. We'll see. So, okay, this is what it looks like right over here. It almost looks like a clear, let's just try it both ways. I'm going to just put it on. It is neutral, so let's see here. Well, you know what? I will tell you this. Let's just use it like this, and then we will go in with a brow product. Although I got to tell you the truth, wow, this is really pretty. I mean, my eyebrows are pretty good to begin with, and you know, this is my good brow. So, but this looks really, really nice. I'm just curious if it will hold up like this for real. That's really pretty. Okay, I really think I like this product. Let me just see how this side is feeling, because it could be drying down already. Okay, it's pretty tacky. I want to say to fill in your brows like with your product first and then go in with this. I kind of really like it. I like the way it feels. I'm going to go back in just a little bit. I like to pick these up right in the front. You want to talk about 80s? I like it. I think I like this product. I like it a lot. Okay, so that is that, girl. Here's the mascara. Look how cutie patootie that is. Let's read up on the mascara. So this is the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. Your go-to mascara every day. It tints, lengthens, and lifts lashes. I have been dying to try a tubing formula. I'm kind of a little nervous. Like, it says you're supposed to just pull it off when you take it off. I'm not really sure. There you go, easy to remove. Let me just curl the darling lashes. I did try to keep the face very minimalistic. You know, I just didn't want to put on 5,000 pounds of foundation. P.S. The foundation that I used is the NARS foundation. It's so pretty. I haven't grabbed it in a while, but I really love. I'll tell you in a minute. Very nice. That is super pretty. Wow. That's really nice. I'm going to just dip in one more time. I just want to do one more coat for the top. I will absolutely leave you comments below about this mascara. That's really beautiful. So nice. And then last but not least, girl, this is called Aperitif. And so let's just take a look. First of all, look at the packaging. It's so sleek. It's so beautiful. Okay, girl, now you know I'm not a red girl. You know I'm not a red girl, but daggone it, we're going to do it. Let me just put it right over here. That is beautiful. Look how nice that is. Girl, I'm so excited because you know I don't do red. Now I'm even more grateful that I kept everything so light and so pretty. So excited. I just have a little bit of lip balm on. I'm just going to rub it in. Wow. Okay, Merritt. Okay. You're testing me. That's beautiful. That is so pretty. Let me just fix my lip smacking right over here. That is so pretty. It feels just like the other ones. It is so, every time I use a Merit lip product, my first word is wow, they're so nourishing. This is, okay, girl. Okay. That is so pretty. Wow, I'm super impressed. Let's just rehash, shall we? This feels so amazing underneath my foundation. I'm not really a powdery kind of girl. You guys know that. If anything, I would just powder in the T-zone under, I just set in my under eyes. But look how beautiful. This looks so glowy, not oily. not greasy, but look how beautiful. It looks so healthy. Damn, my complexion hasn't looked this good in such a long time. Wow, that is so beautiful. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This highlighter, look at that. Don't say, I'm not really, that's not really my color, or, I really don't care. Don't say it. And I'm talking to myself because I always say that, I don't think, let me just try it. I'm going to just try it. It always looks so beautiful. I'm not going to lie, I'm looking at my lips. Okay. This is gorgeous. So, so beautiful. The brow product, I will tell you, it feels nice and set, but not crunchy at all. It feels set, but smooth. I will tell you, put on any kind of eyebrow product beforehand. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was going to be tinted. Doesn't matter, because these are my eyebrows. I think they're pretty good to begin with. But yes, put your product on first and then put the brow on. That looks so beautiful. The mascara, girl, I will let you know, because I'm so super excited about the tubing. I'm so excited. And I will tell you, okay, I'm really, really impressed with this lipstick. I would never, and you know that, in a million years, I would never, never buy a red lip. But damn, that looks so good, doesn't it? Oh my God, that is so, so beautiful. By the way, Merit was so incredibly gracious to give me an affiliate link. I will post it down below. And if you use it, I get a little bit of a commission. Use it if you want, use it if you don't. It's totally up to you. I'm just so incredibly thankful to Merit that you included me. I'm so, so grateful. So yeah, so this is the final look using these beautiful Merit products that were gifted to me. Thank you so, so much. Yeah, I'm shocked. It looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys use Merit products. Which ones are your favorite? These are really, really beautiful. I'm hoping that this little lover right over here comes back in stock pretty soon. It makes my skin look so doggone good. Wow, I really, really love it. So yep, so this is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.